Just installed or reset your Teka HSC 635 oven? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to setting the clock so your oven is ready to go. Step 1. Turn on the oven display. Make sure your oven is plugged in and powered. You'll see the time flashing or 0000 displayed. Step 2. Press the clock button. Look for the clock icon or a button labeled with a watch symbol. Press it once. The hour digits should start blinking. Step 3. Set the hour. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the hour. Once set, press the clock button again to move to minutes. Step 4. Set the minutes. Now the minute digits will blink. Again, use the plus and minus buttons to set the correct minutes. Step 5. Confirm the time. Press the clock button one final time to confirm. The display should now show the correct time. Tip: if the oven loses power, you'll need to repeat this process to reset the time. That's it. Your Teka oven clock is now set. For more home appliance tutorials, follow for more helpful videos.